Okay, this question was asked at JEST 2020. Okay, the question is, consider a quantum particle of mass m moving in a potential. The potential is half m omega square, x square plus y square for x greater than 0 and y greater than 0, and otherwise it is infinity. Okay, what is the degeneracy of the energy state 9h state? The energy state is 9h cross omega. Okay, where omega is greater than 0. So I have to find the degeneracy. Okay, the degeneracy, the option is 4, 2, 10, and 5. At first, we have to understand what is asking question. It is the question of a half harmonic oscillator. Okay, half harmonic oscillator means only odd state are accepted. Okay, even state are not accepted. So let us solve the question. The the energy state of a quantum harmonic oscillator is E equals to Nx plus Ny plus 1. Okay, it is for 2D quantum harmonic oscillator. Okay, E equals to Nx plus Ny plus 1 h cross omega. So the given value of E is 9 h cross omega. Okay, so the value of Nx plus Ny is 8. If we simplify it, we can get the value of Nx plus Ny is 8. Okay, so Nx plus Ny is 8. Only odd states are accepted. So let us find what will be the state of what will be the value of Nx and Ny. So Nx and value of Nx and Ny is it should be 1 7 2 6 3 5 4 4 4 4 5 3 6 2 and 6 2 and 7 1. Okay, as I said earlier that only odd states are accepted. So the accepted state is 1 7 3 5 5 3 and 7 1, and the state of 2 6 4 4 and 6 2 is not accepted. So the value of degeneracy is 4. Hope you understand the video.